Welcome back to another episode of Colin Goes to Martinique. After spending the night on Spitterrain, Stas, Tamar, and I decided to take a little hike across the island to the local beach of Anzatang to have a little fun. We decided to practice our circus skills for the upcoming show, Circus Soleil.
Ou pas mentir, ou pas qu'on les autres, mais ça bien en partie mon âme. Puis pas garanti, ou ailleurs, ou ça devant l'offre non Martinique.
Afterwards, we hiked back to our boat to make preparations to sail around the north part of the island. The sailing was beautiful that day. I can't say, however, I was feeling too great. I'll have to say, the water on the island is beautiful. It's like bath water. It's super clear. Oh.
For us, it's best
Fish
like it?
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Fish likes it not.
Why do you think they like it?
Red and white and shiny.
Okay. So red, white. Are you shiny too? Can we throw you in the water?
I don't have shiny.
Ah.
My glass is transparent.
Big bait for big fish.
Very big fish.
For the first thing of right fillet technique, you always have to smoke a cigarette before you fillet the fish. This is proper French fillet technique. Yeah?
It's proper French tobacco for proper French technique. Special Martinique tobacco. Fish, you did?
In French or in English Guiana, they have one kind of fish. It's very usual fish here. It's a type of catfish. I don't remember the name of this catfish, but it have very sharp hooks on the body, sides. Two lines of sharp.
Amazonian catfish. Green
Piranha.
with
Piranha?
little mouth.
Piranha.
Green. Oh, it's looking great. She's great.
I remember maybe it's Amazonian catfish.
Yeah, Amazonian catfish. Green and with white hooks. But we catch that fish in English Guiana. First day in English Guiana, fresh bite from ocean and just put away and wait. Caffè! Oui, caffè. Si, signore.
Really, half of hour.
Coffee. It's Noah.
Caffè!
Cafe.
Another coffee.
The guy was just messing with you. Russians. Cafe.
You don't know where Russia.
But they have a really very nice coffee.
Yeah. Excelente. Good wine. Yeah. Good coffee. Good pasta.
But Italy very expensive. I really like pizza. but it's very
Different.
it's only
Very
tomatoes and cheese.
Yeah.
Nothing more. And very nice bread.
Pan.
Very easy and very tasty. Very, very tasty. Small, sweet things like not cookies but desserts. Wow. Small but fantastic.
Yeah. Here we have a little maintenance while underway. Guess you get it in when you can. Oh wow! Baby crocodiles! Highly dangerous. They have huge fangs. Look at that thing move. Speed of lightning. In Martinique, we entered the desert exhibit because here on the island of Martinique, there is a desert like in New Mexico. So thirsty. Man, shower like that'd be really nice right about now. The most dangerous animal in the zoo is the cougar. The cougar is also called the puma, is a solitary nocturnal feline. This apparently is the most dangerous animal in the jungle because it actually doesn't punch you during the daytime. It waits for you to sleep. Here's an ancient rum factory. Doesn't look like a rum factory to me. Oh, is this the butterfly? Here we go. Into the butterfly nest we go. Now you want to be very careful with these things because they do smush very easily. I don't really know if I'm supposed to be in here. Check that out. Because I don't really read French signs too well. No French reading signs for me. Oh, check that one out. Oh, it's blue. Looks like an infestation to me. It looks like we're gonna have to call the bug spray people. Into the black box we go. Oh, there's a door here. I do not know if we can go out here. I'm telling you, Johnny Depp's gonna run through here sooner or later. His amazing climbing technique. He's using his tail to hold on while he tears the fence apart. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Dorothy. But I don't think we're in Martinique either because it sure looks like New Mexico to me. You guys know where Diablo Canyon is by any chance? Hey! Here's Seth's castle. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. You know when you get hustled and you're like, me, I got hustled. I just got hustled at the zoo. I paid 15 euros, which is equivalent to roughly, I think, $18 US. I think I saw a monkey. Oh, well, I saw a jaguar. That was pretty cool. But beyond that, I didn't see anything new that I hadn't seen in any other zoo anywhere else. Definitely got hustled. I guess it was meant to be.